Today I bought the external HDD, this model, my book Essential, Western Digital. Here is the model, and the problem is it doesn't work. So usually the problem is with HDD. The HDD may be broken, so it makes strange noises, clicks, etc. But in this case, the problem not in HDD. The problem is in the motherboard of my disk. Uh, First, I turned it on, and it appeared that just LED is working, so it makes a solid white light. The button doesn't work, this button, so no results, no noises. So the disk, I mean HDD itself, doesn't get power. So the problem is with the motherboard. So today we will repair the motherboard, and the usual problem with this type of motherboards is MOSFET, this one. So this is a bias chip. You don't need to make something with it. This is a processor. You can also check the shortages with these ceramic capacitors. In my case, all good, no shortages, so no shorts. So the problem is with this chip, and the common way to solve this problem is just to make the bridge with two contacts, so here and here. So now I will show you how to make these bridges, and after that it will work. So definitely I tried it with many Western digital external HDDs. So if you have this problem, I stress the problem not with HDD itself. So you can easily repair it. So let's fix it. And now I will connect the power. So this is 12 volts. So here. And let's check. This is a button. Let's try the button. And yes, it works, because before this LED just makes a solid white light and power button doesn't do anything. And now you see the button works. Let's connect the disk itself, and I think you will hear the noises from the disk. And yes, the disk works. I don't know whether you see the light, and in my hands I think you can hear the noises from disk, so it works. So I hope this video is useful for you, and now you know how to fix this motherboard. In case the HDD doesn't work, you can just replace the disk, but in case the motherboard doesn't work, you can do nothing without repairing this little motherboard. So see you guys.